3 crypto coins under $1 that I believe have huge potential in 2025. And no, we're not going to be talking about Bitcoin. That's already trillions in market cap. And no, we're not going to be talking about Ethereum because it's already worth thousands of dollars. In this video, we're going to be talking about 3 coins that are much higher risk, but also could offer potential higher rewards. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. If you like money and if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified when we publish new videos. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please understand that everything I say in this video is not financial advice. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. And full disclosure, we do hold the cryptocurrencies that will be discussed in today's video. So if you want to know what these coins are, I'm ready to teach. Let's get started. One of the most popular cryptocurrency narratives last year in 2024 were layer 1 cryptocurrency projects, going up over 142% average as a profitable investment. So naturally, I believe layer 1s are going to continue to do well here in 2025. And your very first coin is a brand new coin that hasn't even hit the market yet, but will be hitting the market very soon. So if you appreciate videos like this that are time sensitive and new crypto coins before anyone else, really finding those hidden gems, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. But your first coin is Diamante and the DIAM token. So let's hear from the team themselves about what this project is and what it's all about.
Most efficient hybrid layer 1 that is actually quantum resilient.
Wow. So we're here at Token 2049. There's a lot of talk of Diamante, DIAM token. Just for the folks that have never heard of it before, what is Diamante?
So Diamante is the most inclusive blockchain. So it's like blockchains of the blockchain. It is the last layer 1 anyone would require.
So I don't need Solana anymore. I don't need Ethereum.
No. The reason is, let's say when we talk about other layer 1s without naming them, right? It's a huge expense to run a full validated node. You need to stake a lot of the tokens. You pay the high server bills. But let's step back and compare that with computers. Like we had those huge computers filling the room and everyone was like crazy about it. And now we are having like wearables. It's a form of a computer, like we have iWatches and all, Galaxy watches and everything. So that's how the trend has changed. So when we talk about the blockchain space, right, Bitcoin is something very amazing. It has changed a lot of people's lives and everything. But is it that efficient? So I compare Bitcoin with the huge computer filling the room. So we are actually not thinking about today. We are actually proactively solving the problems of tomorrow.
And speaking of solving the problems of tomorrow, this is a next generation hybrid blockchain ecosystem designed for institutions and users like you and I. Now, it's one of the most scalable, interoperable, and secure quantum resilient networks using technology built to solve the problems of today and tomorrow. Now, it's a hybrid blockchain, triple layer consensus, and is quantum resilient. It's going to be scalable, secure, and decentralized. And it also has an ecosystem of next generation Web3 products built on top of its layer 1. They have their pay circle, their credit circle, their wallet, their pay, their block stack, their crypto news, the defined, as well as the Metacycle chain CRV and Dynamite X. And for each transaction, users, developers, and institutions pay a gas, which then you will receive as benefits as a holder. And that's not all. They have received a AAA score from CertiK at a 95.02%, giving us even more confidence in the project itself. The blockchain also announced an integration of BNB Chain's Greenfield into their ecosystem, and Greenfield focuses not on low touch or cold data, but rather hot valuable data. It lets users own their data and control permissions and to create their own personal data marketplace. Now, the Dynamite cryptocurrency coins will be a total supply of 10 billion tokens, 8.89% to the team, 7% for community, 27% to the foundation, 4% for advisors, 10% ecosystem growth, 2.5% for partners, 10% for marketing, 18% liquidity, and 11% investors and backers. The team is also fully doxed here on their website, and the token generation event for this crypto is launching tomorrow. That's right, this is why these videos are very time sensitive, so make sure to do your own research. But as you can see here, I believe that this cryptocurrency new coin that has a lot of opportunity is quantum resilient, another layer 1 blockchain here, definitely one to keep on your radar. Now, the second cryptocurrency coin under $1 has to be Cardano. Why Cardano? Well, we have some breaking news. Cardano ADA price jumped 15% after Grayscale's ETF filing. The next test is at 85 cents. Now, Cardano has struggled to find its footing in the current cycle, despite finally beginning a rally in November. You can see here on February 3rd, ADA fell low of 50 cents, a 60% decline since its cycle high. But as it has fallen to 0.51 cents in February, it has bounced since then and hitting right around 70 to 80 cents at the time of this recording. Here you can see some technicals, but what is really going to make it for Cardano to break out? Here's what we need to see here. We need to see a clear break above the $1 mark, and this will head us higher to the 0.1618, which would be $1.50. ADA has yet to reclaim 85 cents, sitting at the 80-cent mark at the time of this recording. But the fact that Grayscale requested an ETF on Cardano is huge news. The layer 1 blockchain Cardano has been around all the way since 2017, is defined as a third generation blockchain, stands out from other blockchain projects, and again, this is another layer 1 solution. The price of ADA did soar up after the ETF request, and the speculation now of ADA potentially getting an ETF would definitely bring more adoption to the chain. Now, Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain network that supports decentralized applications with multi-asset ledgers and smart contracts. And unlike other blockchains, Cardano does not build on top of technical foundation from Bitcoin or other blockchains itself. Instead, Cardano works with leading academics on research to develop new and innovative solutions, which are subject to academic peer review. Now, the ADA token went all the way as high as $3 in the last cycle and sitting right around 85 cents. I believe that this crypto is still potentially undervalued, especially if it gets a ETF. And that's why it's your second cryptocurrency coin. Now, your third cryptocurrency has to be channel partner Aitech. Now, Aitech just launched their AI Agent Tap Hub, a new era of AI gaming in Web3. Now, the AI Agent Tap Hub is an AI-powered tap mini game on Telegram, built on Spheroid engine on Ton. This innovative game merges AI agents, blockchain, and gaming, offering new ways to play, create, and earn. Now, some of the key features are going to be play to earn, where you can win AI agent avatars and use them on Agent Forge to develop AI agents. You'll be able to trade and sell, convert in-game avatars to USDT for real-world value. Also, there'll be revenue sharing. Select avatars will be developed into full AI agents, with players earning a share of the revenue. And with the upcoming AI agent platform, Agent Forge will allow anyone to create and monetize AI agents with no code required. You can find out even more information on their Medium article here about the game story, the game mechanics, as well as the game buildings and units. And today, Aitech is coming in at 5 cents, and you can see, looking at the chart here, this went all the way as high as 50 cents approximately, all the way back in March of 2024. And with AI crypto coins absolutely skyrocketing, I believe Aitech, sitting at only a $61 million market cap today, is one that I believe still has massive potential in this bull market. They have continued to build, and I believe with their community, I think that this cryptocurrency coin is still massively undervalued. So make sure to follow Aitech over on their X account for more updates. And there you have it. Those are your 3 crypto coins under $1 right now that I believe are massively undervalued and have massive potential here in 2025. Let me know if I missed any cryptocurrency coins or any coins that you'd like me to share on this channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next videos. If you want to trade some of the altcoins that we share here with you on the channel, a free Telegram trading group for you to join, where many of the traders are making profitable trades. And if you want some of the hottest meme coins to trade, Blofin is also offering you up to $100,000 back in trading fees. Simply click the links down below in the description using our referral code. And if you want to know how I made $200,000 in just 1 week trading crypto and learn my proven system for finding hidden altcoin gems before anyone else, click the links down below and join us in VIP. Many of my students made thousands of dollars in the last bull market. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in our next video.